Okay, good morning to all. So, coming to Ind As 36, right? Ind As 36. Correct. Okay. I think in our previous class we are done with question number 2, right? Question number 2. Okay. So, coming to problem number 3, we can easily solve this question. Problem number 3. Okay. Can we start? Shall we start the question? Okay. An entity has a machinery on 1/4/2017 with carrying amount of rupees 28 lakhs after annual depreciation of rupees 3 lakhs with a remaining useful life of 9 years and residual value is 1 lakh. Simple, sir. An entity has a machinery on 1/4/2017 with carrying amount, which means it was not purchased in current year, it was purchased in previous year. I mean, we don't know the when we have purchased, but as of now the carrying amount of the asset is 28 lakhs after annual depreciation 3 lakhs. Okay, so nothing but what is the current revised carrying amount, what is the correct value? As of now, what is the value of machinery? So carrying amount minus depreciation, correct? Say yes or no? Yes, yes. 3 lakhs is the depreciation. So then the balance is 25 lakhs. Clear? 28 lakhs minus 3 lakhs. With remaining useful life 9 years, residual value 1 lakh. Okay, depreciation is charged straight line method. So please underline straight line method. On 31st March 2018, the machine is revalued at 29 lakhs. So you need to revalue the machinery at the end of 31st March 2018. So the revalued figure is 29 lakhs. Okay, the asset got revalued. Clear? Okay, so on 31st March 2020, the machine has a fair value less cost sale is 20 lakhs, value is 21 lakhs. How the transaction will be reflected in the financial statements of the entity for the 4 years 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, it's a basic and bacha question. It's a very simple question, sir. We can solve easily. Okay, so coming to first of all, what is the carrying amount? 28 lakhs is a given the question. Depreciation 23 lakhs. So on 1/4/2017, see the value of asset. How much? How much, sir? 28 lakhs minus 3 lakhs, 25 lakhs. Clear? The depreciation for the 17/18 also given in the question, which means so 1/4/17 the value is 28 lakhs. During the year the depreciation is 3 lakhs and the balance is 25 lakhs. Clear? That is carrying amount as on 31st March 2018. Correct or not? Yes or no? This is the carrying amount at the end of the 31st March 2018. On that day, the machine got revalued from 25 lakhs to 29 lakhs. How much amount of revaluation profit here? Add revaluation profit 4 lakhs. So then we got the carrying amount is 29 lakhs. So everyone knows about it. Obviously, the carrying amount of the asset as of now is 25 lakhs. Now the asset got revalued of rupees 4 lakhs and the balanced, total asset value as of now is 29 lakhs. From this year, we need to charge depreciation on 29 or 25. Tell me, 29 or 25? 29 lakhs. So from this year, you need to charge depreciation on 29 lakhs. For calculating depreciation, we have residual value also, correct or not? Basically, the remaining life at the starting of the year, 1/4/2017, on that date, the remaining life is 9 years. But 1 year is already completed, right? So what's the balance number of years? Remaining number of years is 8. Correct? So then you can calculate the depreciation. Depreciation equal to 29 lakhs minus residual value 1 lakh divided by 8. The balance is, the depreciation is 3 lakh 50,000. Clear? Yes or no? Obviously, it's a bacha question. It's a very simple question. Clear? Yes. The carrying amount on 31st March 2019, how much? 29 minus 3 lakh 50, 25 lakh 50,000. For next year, calculate depreciation as usual. How much depreciation? 25 lakh 50,000 minus 1 lakh divided by 7. Correct or not? Yes or no? Yes. How much? 25 lakh 50,000 minus 1 lakh divided by 7. 24 lakh 50,000 divided by 7. Please calculate. Please calculate. How much? 3 lakh 50,000. Correct. 25 lakh 50,000 minus 1 lakh divided by 7. Then 3 lakh 50,000 is the depreciation. Clear? Yes. Next, the balance carrying amount how much? 25 lakh 50,000 minus 3 lakh 50, how much? 22 lakhs. Is that clear? This is the carrying amount on 31st March 2020. Say sir, no? Yes. See sir, in the given question they have given the recoverable amount on 31st March 2020, which means you need to calculate a depreciation up to 31st March 2020. You need to calculate the carrying amount at the end of 31st March 2020. Correct or not? Then only you can easily find out the impairment loss. Yes or no? Because they have given the recoverable amount at the end of 31st March 2020, right? So you need to calculate the carrying amount on that date also. So on that date, the carrying amount how much as of now? 22 lakhs. Clear? Everyone is clear about this 22 lakhs? Yes or no? Yes. Simple sir. Initially the value of asset is how much? 28 lakhs. The depreciation, annual depreciation is directly given in the question. Correct? So 28 lakhs minus 3 lakhs, 25 lakhs. So from 25 lakhs, asset got revalued to 29 lakhs, which means 4 lakhs is the revaluation profit, which means we have already revaluation profit is there. Correct or not? Yes, 4 lakhs is the profit. From next year, we need to calculate depreciation on 29 lakhs only. Okay, how much? 29 lakh minus 1 lakh divided by 8. So what is the depreciation? 3 lakh 50,000. SLM method means every year depreciation is same until if there is any changes. So depreciation 3 lakh 50, 3 lakh 50. So the balance carrying amount at the end of 31st March 2020 is 22 lakhs. 22 lakhs. Clear? On that date, in the given question, they have given a recoverable amount. How much? What is the recoverable amount? Recoverable amount equal to fair value less cost to sell or value in use, whichever is higher. How much? 20 or 21? 20 or 21? 20 or 21, whichever is higher. Then we will get recoverable amount. So as of now, the carrying amount is how much? 22 lakhs. Recoverable amount is 21 lakhs, which means the carrying amount is more than recoverable amount, which means the difference is known as impairment loss. Clear? It's a simple question, sir. So what is the revised carrying amount as of now? 22 lakhs minus carrying amount 22 lakhs minus impairment loss 1 lakh. How much? 21 lakh. That is the carrying amount on 31st March 2020. We can say revised carrying amount. Why? Because we have deducted impairment loss also. Correct? 21 lakhs. From this year, you need to calculate depreciation on 21 lakhs only. Correct or not? Yes, 21 lakhs minus residual value 1 lakh divided by remaining useful life is 6 years. How much? 3 lakh 33,333. Then this is the difference, carrying amount. That's it. Is there any difficulty in this question? Is there any difficulty? No difficulty. But the point is, whatever the impairment loss we got in 31st March 2020, okay, 31st March 2020, that impairment loss basically should be transferred to P&L, right? Basically, what is the entry? Impairment loss to asset, P&L to impairment loss. But in this case, we already discussed this point. This impairment loss should not be charged to P&L. This should be adjusted to revaluation surplus. Is it clear? I think this point we already discussed. If we have any revaluation surplus in previous years, the impairment loss what you are getting, it should be adjusted to that revaluation surplus to the extent of it. Okay, now is it clear? Yes. So coming to statement of P&L. So they asked the financial statements, right? So that's why we need to calculate this. Just we need to show the effect in P&L as well as a balance sheet. That's it. Okay. Okay now. Okay now. Okay. So coming to statement of P&L. See the statement of P&L, guys. So please note down. Please pause the video. Please solve the question up to this point. Please. Up to this, please solve by your own. Okay. From here, I'll solve. Okay. So what is the question? Transactions should be reflected in financial statements of the entity, right? Please note down. Statement of P&L. Sorry. Effects in statement of P&L. Particulars 31st March 18, 31st March 19, 31st March 20, 31st March 21. Okay, clear. Effect of statement of P&L. Statement of P&L. Please note down. Please note down. Just we need to show the effect. What are the items affected in P&L? That's it. So mainly coming to first point, depreciation, right? Correct or no? Yes or no? Yes, depreciation. What is the first year depreciation, sir? 3 lakhs. Second year, 3 lakh 50. Third year, 3 lakh 50. And next year, how much depreciation here? 3 lakh 33,333. Correct. So please note down. 3 lakh, 3 lakh 50,000, 3 lakh 50,000, 3 lakh 33,333. Note down. Less or minus, depreciation is an expense, right? Because of expense, profit should get decreased. So that's why please keep it in brackets. Assume that it is minus. Next, Revaluation profit OCI. How much on 31st March 2018, right? We have revalued the amount. How much amount of revaluation profit we have? 4 lakhs. Please note down. Revaluation profit OCI 4 lakhs. So we already discussed one point, sir. What is that point? If any revaluation surplus is erased, that should be allocated to, that should be transferred to retained earnings over a period of remaining life of the asset. Yes or no? Yes or no, sir? Yes. So please transfer that 4 lakhs, to retained earnings. Please transfer. How much? How much in first year? Tell me, sir. 4 lakhs divided by how many years? 1 year already completed, right? That 1/4/2017. On that day, the remaining life is 9 years, which means at the end of the 31st March 2018, how many years? 8 years, correct or not? So, transfer to retained earnings. How much? 4 lakhs divided by 8. 50,000. Next year, the balance of revaluation surplus is 3,50,000 because 50,000 already transferred to retained earnings. So 3,50,000 divided by 7. How much? Again 50,000. On 31st March 2020, 31st March 2020, asset got nothing but we have find out the recoverable amount. We have impairment loss. Because of that impairment loss, revaluation surplus will get decreased. What is the impairment loss, sir? 1 lakh. So basically, out of 4 lakhs, 1 lakh already transferred to retained earnings. Correct? Now, for the purpose of impairment loss, 1 lakh is there, right? That 1 lakh also should be adjusted to revaluation surplus only. That is the point. So, after 1 lakh revaluation surplus, I mean impairment loss, what is the balance of revaluation surplus? OCI balance, how much? Out of 4 lakhs, 1 lakh is already completed. Now, 1 lakh should be deducted. What is the balance now? 2 lakhs, correct or not? So, which means 3.5 lakhs minus 1 lakh, how much? 3.5 minus 1 lakh minus, just wait. So 3.5 minus 50,000 minus 1 lakh, correct or not? 50,000 means second year also 50,000 transfer to retained earnings, right? That 50 also should be deducted. So 3.5 lakhs minus 50, 3 lakhs minus 1 lakh. What is this 1 lakh? Impairment loss. That is a special point, sir. We already discussed. So balance how much is there? 3.5 minus 5, 3, 3 minus 1, 2, 2 lakhs divided by, 2 lakhs divided by how many years? 6 years. How much? 2 lakhs divided by 6, how much? Tell me, sir. Sir, please, sorry, just wait. This is the first year, sir. Oh shit. See guys, we need to transfer in next year, right? Which means this should become here. Sorry. Yeah, that's it. Because revalued on 31st March 2018 only. So from next year we need to transfer to retained earnings. Correct or not? Revaluation surplus arised on 31st March 2018 ending. So on that year we will not transfer, right? Correct or not? Yes. Next last year, how much? 2 lakhs divided by 6. How much? 33,333. Next, impairment loss. Charged against revaluation surplus. Please show this impairment loss also here. Then only you will get understand. Okay. Clear? Any doubts? Clear or not, sir? Sir, basically we have a 4 lakhs is a revelation surplus, correct? 4 lakhs is the revelation surplus. Out of that, we need to transfer to retained earnings over a period of remaining life of the asset. Remaining life is 8 years. So this year we will not transfer because the revalue amount is on 31st March 2018 only. So from next year we need to transfer to retained earnings, correct or not? So how much? First year 50, second year 50. At the end of second year also impairment loss also occurred. How much? 1 lakh. That should be deducted from revelation surplus. The balance how much? 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs divided by 6 is the remaining years. 33,330. 3 transfer to retained earnings. That's it. Is that clear? Say sir, no sir. Say sir, no. See, this is transfer to retains 50,000, right? Which means revelation surplus balance will get deducted every year, right? So we can write this point also like this, revelation profit 50,000, 50,000, 1,50,000 this year, correct or not? This year 33,333. Yes, that's it. Because we are reducing the revelation profit, we are increasing the retained earnings. The total balance will not change, correct or not? Yes, obviously will not change. So please show this point also. It's better. Revaluation profit every year decreases. Transfer to retained earnings, which means transfer to retained earnings. So retained earnings balance will get increases. Revelation surplus balance will get decreases. So both I am showing the question solution. Is it clear? Very simple point, sir. Very simple. So coming to balance sheet. So this is the effect in statement of P&L, right? Now coming to effect in balance sheet. Effect in balance sheet. Particulars 31st March 2018, 31st March 2019, 31st March 2020, 31st March 2021. So PP asset is there, right? So asset value as on 31st March 2018, how much? Asset got revalued, right? So what is the value? 29 lakhs. And later 29 lakhs, 25 lakh 50,000. Note down. After that 20, how much? 25 lakh 50,000. Next year carrying amount how much? Revised carrying amount 21 lakhs. Correct or not? After impairment loss, not before impairment loss. Next 17 lakh 66,667. Note down. Just I am taking the PP carrying amounts only. That's it. Next, revaluation profit OCI balance, right? That also should be shown under other equity. Revaluation surplus under other equity. First year the balance is 4 lakhs under revaluation surplus. Second year 50,000 reduced, which means the balance is 3 lakh 50,000. Next third year 3 lakhs minus 1 lakh, how much? 2 lakhs, correct or not? Yes or no? 2 lakhs. How 2 lakhs, sir? 3.5 lakhs minus 50,000 minus 1 lakh. What is this 1 lakh? Impairment loss. Last year how much? So 17,66,667, that's okay. So calculate this revaluation surplus at the end of the last year. I mean 31st March 2021, how much? 4 lakhs minus 50,000, 3 lakh 50, 3 lakh 50 minus 50, 3 lakhs minus 1 lakh, 2 lakhs. So out of 2 lakhs, how much amount transferred, sir? 33,333 to retained earnings, which means revaluation surplus balance reduced by 33,333. So what is the balance? 2 lakhs minus 33,333. 1,66,667. That's it. Is that clear? Clear. So this is the effect in balance sheet. This is more than enough. This is more than enough. Yes. Very simple question, sir. Very simple question. Easily we can solve it. Nothing difficult in this question. Okay. Nothing difficult. Okay.